Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and post quietly on Instagram without notifying followers? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So to post quietly on Instagram without notifying everyone, use the new share only to profile feature if available by going to advanced settings before posting. So for example, let me just head into my Instagram real quick and let's just say I want to post something, right? Let's say I want to post this photo for say. Now all I need to do is simply go ahead and click on next, and now I can simply go ahead and head into settings. I could also do this for a post as well, just like this. Tap on that, click on next, and then head into next, and then finally head into advanced settings. And this is exactly where you can simply go ahead and post share only to profile. So I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.